Hello friends, today we are making a deer out of polymer clay. To make anything from polymer clay, you should make sure that the clay is soft. To make the clay soft, you should knead it properly, and I will apply a time lapse while I'm kneading this for some time. Now the clay has turned soft, so we can start shaping it. I'm creating the neck of the deer, and then slowly I'm forming its face, and yeah, this face is now ready. For the rest of the video, I'm going to do a time lapse until it is completed, and then we'll come to the painting part. So this is the version of entire sculpted deer. Now the next step would be baking it into oven, and once done we'll go to the painting part. So now we are keeping it in oven. For the temperature and time for keeping the clay in oven, you will need to check the instructions given on your polymer clay pack. Different clay companies keep different temperature and time settings for the clay, so you have to just follow those instructions, and for me it is different. So after it is baked, it will turn hard, and then we'll start painting. The deer is now baked and ready. Now we are starting to paint it. I'm going to paint it with acrylic colors. And I'm using different layers of shading for this deer as how it looks naturally. So you can select your own method of painting. And I'm going to time lapse this video again because it took a lot of time to paint this deer completely. I had to apply the layer once, keep it, allow it to dry, then again start with the next one. So watch the time lapse and wait till the end to see the final product. Hey guys, please look at the final product. I think it's awesome looking deer. What do you think? Write in the comments below, and please subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed, and like this video and share among your friends so that they can also see this wonderful art of polymer clay. Thank you.